Hi my lovely friend, this is Hello to our learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable bootlock and view NTBTLog.txt in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the search option and we have to write the run. Here we have to write the MS config, so we will click OK, sign. So here we'll go to the boot options, here the boot log, apply, as well as we'll do the OK button. Now here you may need to restart your computer to apply these changes before restarting settings file. So restart. So now after restarting the Windows 11, we will check that file that have or not. Here this PC local disk from the Windows. So how you search? Search the NTBTLog. So click here. So see, the files already are present here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.